Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a microfiber cloth, and a can of compressed air. Having these on hand will streamline your cleaning process and ensure you have everything you need at your fingertips. Start by ensuring the Estival Conga 3690 is unplugged and turned off. Safety first. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. As you do so, keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the bottom panel to expose the internal mechanisms. Here, you'll notice dust and debris collected over time. Using the microfiber cloth, wipe down the surfaces you can easily reach. For those tight corners, the can of compressed air will be your best friend. It effectively blows away dust without damaging delicate components. Now, you might find it a bit tricky if you've never done this before. If you don't have the right tools or feel unsure, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to get insights into your device's condition without any commitment. As you continue cleaning, pay special attention to the sensors and brushes. These areas are critical for the performance of your Conga 3690. A quick clean with the microfiber cloth should suffice here. If you notice any hair or debris stuck, use the flathead screwdriver to gently dislodge it, taking care not to scratch any surfaces. After you've completed the cleaning, it's time to reassemble the unit. Simply reverse the steps you took to take it apart. Place the bottom panel back on and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Ensure everything is firmly in place to avoid any rattling during operation. If you're feeling overwhelmed at any point, or if you'd prefer to have this task handled for you, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a seamless service designed to make your life easier. Finally, once the device is reassembled, plug it back in and power it on. Run a quick test to make sure everything is functioning smoothly. If you encounter any issues, it's wise to reach out for a quote before repair. Knowing the potential costs upfront can help you make informed decisions about your maintenance options. This cleaning routine not only prolongs the life of your Estival Conga 3690 but also enhances its performance. Regular internal maintenance is key to keeping your device in optimal condition. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your machine operates efficiently and effectively. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.